Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mobirise. Mobirise, found at mobirise.com, is a compelling offline website builder that offers a distinctive approach to web design. Unlike many contemporary website builders that operate solely online, Mobirise allows you to download and install the software directly onto your computer. This offline functionality provides a number of advantages, including enhanced control over your projects and the ability to work without an internet connection. The platform boasts a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible even for those with limited technical expertise. Building a website with Mobirise is as simple as selecting pre-designed blocks and customizing them to your liking. These blocks encompass a wide range of elements, from text and images to contact forms and social media integrations. The intuitive nature of the interface allows you to effortlessly arrange and modify these blocks to create a website that perfectly reflects your vision. Mobirise also prioritizes mobile responsiveness, ensuring that your website looks great on any device, from desktops to smartphones. In today's mobile-first world, this feature is crucial for reaching a wider audience and providing a seamless user experience. The software automatically optimizes your site for different screen sizes, eliminating the need for complex coding or manual adjustments. Furthermore, Mobirise offers a wealth of customization options, allowing you to tailor your website to your specific needs. You can personalize everything from fonts and colors to layouts and background images. This level of control empowers you to create a unique online presence that truly stands out. While Mobirise offers a free version, premium features and templates are available through paid plans. This freemium model provides a great opportunity to explore the platform's capabilities before committing to a paid subscription. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out, Mobirise offline, drag-and-drop approach to web design makes it a powerful tool for creating stunning and functional websites. Check it out at mobirise.com and let me know what you think in the comments below.